Hello and welcome to Tailcrafter English. Today, you're not just watching a video. You're about to start a journey that will transform your life. If you've ever struggled with speaking English or felt like fluency was far out of reach, you're in the right place. This video will help you change your mindset so you can speak English more confidently and fluently. Let me ask you a question. How many of you have ever felt stuck or frustrated while trying to learn English? Maybe you've been studying for months or even years, but still feel like you can't speak fluently. What if I told you that the biggest obstacle isn't grammar or vocabulary? It's your mindset. Changing the way you think about learning English is the key to unlocking your fluency. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. When you believe that you can speak English fluently, it becomes much easier to make progress. But if you constantly doubt yourself or tell yourself that you can't do it, then it becomes very hard to move forward. Today, I want to show you how changing your mindset can completely change the way you learn English. Mindset refers to the way you think and approach challenges in life. There are two types of mindsets: a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities are fixed and can't be changed. They might think, I can't learn English because it's too hard. But those with a growth mindset believe that their abilities can improve with practice and effort. They think, if I keep practicing, I can get better at English. If you have a growth mindset, you will be more willing to try new things, make mistakes, and learn from them. If you have a fixed mindset, you might avoid challenging tasks or give up too easily. This difference in mindset is one of the main reasons why some people learn English faster than others. Do you truly believe that you can learn English? This is the first and most important step in your journey. If you don't believe that you can speak English fluently, it will be very difficult to make progress. But if you believe that you can improve, no matter how small the steps may seem, you will continue moving forward. Some people think that speaking English fluently is a talent that only certain people are born with. But that's not true. Fluency in English is a skill that anyone can develop with time and practice. The key is to be patient with yourself and understand that it takes time. Every day, remind yourself that you are capable of learning English. Say it out loud. I can speak English fluently. The more you believe it, the more you will take action to make it happen. One of the biggest obstacles for English learners is the fear of making mistakes. Many people avoid speaking because they're scared of saying something wrong. But guess what? Making mistakes is a normal part of the learning process. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The important thing is to learn from those mistakes and keep improving. The best way to improve your speaking skills is by practicing speaking as much as you can. It's okay if you don't know all the words or if your grammar isn't perfect. The goal is to communicate and get better over time. So don't wait until you feel perfect. Start speaking today, and your confidence will grow. Let me tell you a story about a student of mine named Maria. She was very shy and afraid to speak English because she worried about making mistakes. But when she started practicing with a language partner every day, she realized that making mistakes was a natural part of the process. Today, Maria speaks English confidently and fluently, and she's no longer afraid of making mistakes. You can do the same. Start small. Think big. Many beginners try to speak English perfectly right away, which can be overwhelming. But the secret to fluency is consistency. Start by setting small, achievable goals. For example, aim to learn 5 new words every day, or practice speaking for 10 minutes a day. Small steps lead to big progress. Daily practice, the 20-minute rule. Try to dedicate at least 20 minutes every day to learning English. It doesn't have to be a long session. Even just 20 minutes of focused practice each day can make a huge difference. You can watch a video in English, listen to a podcast, or practice speaking with a friend. The more you practice, the faster you will improve. The power of routine. Creating a routine is crucial for your success. When you make English practice a regular part of your day, it becomes a habit. And habits are hard to break. The more you practice, the more natural speaking English will feel. The best way to learn any language is by surrounding yourself with it. This is called immersion. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country to immerse yourself in English. With the internet, you have access to English content from around the world. You can watch movies, listen to music, read books, and follow English-speaking YouTube channels like this one. Try to make English a part of your daily life. Change the language on your phone to English. Watch TV shows in English, or listen to English podcasts while you're on the bus. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you will learn it. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to create an environment where English is everywhere. Talk to friends who speak English, join language exchange groups, or find an English-speaking community online. The more you practice with real people, the more confident you will become. Many people have learned English successfully by changing their mindset and following simple practices. Let me share a few examples of people who started just like you and now speak English fluently. Example 1. John, the successful businessman. John is a businessman who came to the United States from a non-English speaking country. He didn't know much English when he arrived, but he believed in himself. He practiced English every day, even if it was just 10 minutes a day. Over time, his speaking skills improved. Today, John runs a successful business and speaks fluent English with his clients. Example 2. Sarah, the traveler. Sarah always dreamed of traveling the world, but she didn't speak English well. Instead of giving up, Sarah decided to start small. She began practicing English every day by reading travel blogs and watching YouTube videos in English. Now, Sarah travels the world and speaks English with ease wherever she goes. Sometimes, learning English can feel difficult. There will be days when you don't feel like practicing. But remember, motivation comes from within. If you remind yourself of your goals and the reason why you want to speak English fluently, you'll keep pushing forward. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently. Picture yourself in a conversation, sharing your thoughts with others in English. Visualization is a powerful tool. The more you imagine yourself speaking English, the more real it will become. Every step you take is progress. Did you learn 5 new words today? Celebrate it. Did you speak with someone in English? That's a win. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they seem. This will keep you motivated and excited to keep learning. Now that you understand how changing your mindset can help you speak English fluently, it's time to take action. Start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it will never come. Start now and take small steps every day. With consistency, belief in yourself, and the right mindset, you will become fluent in English. Remember, I believe in you. You can do this. Don't let doubts hold you back. Your journey to speaking English fluently begins with the first step. So go ahead and take it. You're closer than you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to improve their English. Leave a comment below telling us what steps you're going to take today to improve your English skills.